Today is Vlogmas day, it's gonna be 5, pretty sure 5. And I am working right now. I'm on my lunch break and I'm currently watching a vlog in the background. Now that I have an hour lunch break, I feel like I can do so much. It's so freaking crazy. Like, I just went ahead and took a shower and like I didn't, like, obviously I'm not missing any steps, but I actually like even shaved my legs, you know, and I blow dried my hair and I still have time to talk to you all. Like, that's wild. But I decided to take a shower during my lunch break because after work, like literally as soon as I get off of work, Matt and I have to go to a restaurant to go to his grandma's birthday party, like a birthday dinner celebration. So we'll be doing that right after work. That's who I got the slippers for, so yeah. I didn't blow dry my entire hair because my goal, the point right now is really to focus on like my scalp. So I blow dried most, like basically my scalp, and then I left like my hair to dry just because I don't want to put too much heat on my hair. I don't really put heat on my hair very much. Like, I literally, why is it so dark in here? Is that better? Kinda. But I'll only do my hair for like special occasions. Like, I'll curl my hair for like weddings or like any special occasion. Like, unless I really want to, I'm not doing my hair. Like, my hair is naturally straight, so I'll just keep it this way and it works out. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and probably check my timer to see where we're at on time and probably go back to work, maybe grab a quick little bite to eat, just a little maybe protein shake, and get back to work. So talk to you in a bit. Okay, all right, you guys, so it took me a while. For some reason Matthew put the brown sugar in the cabinet instead of the pantry, so it took me a while to look for it. But I'm gonna make me an iced coffee. I'm also gonna make one for Matthew because he's currently training, but he can have some coffee, so I'm still gonna make it for him. The only thing for him, I'm not gonna add as much sugar. So in one of the cups, I'm gonna go ahead and we have this little spoon that we use, that we keep in here. So I'm gonna add a very generous teaspoon of that. And I think I'm gonna make both in the same little container. Let me add some water. And I'm gonna mix it. Mix. So that is mixed. Now what I'm gonna do in each individual cup, you don't have to use a third cup. I'm just using a third cup because it's convenient. I'm gonna add some brown sugar. So, like a teaspoon, honestly. So I don't want a lot because I'm trying to, I think I talked about it, I'm trying to make like some changes, some healthier changes leading up to the new year. Okay, so that is good with that. I'm gonna add a little sprinkle of cinnamon, so like that. Same to this. Whoa, shoot, that was a lot. Yeah, oh. And I'm also gonna add some vanilla syrup, so just 2 pumps. So we'll add half here. And half there. I'm gonna go ahead and in here, just mix it up. And the same thing on this one. Now it's ice, but okay, it is just a little bit of ice. Yeah, our ice maker for some reason wasn't making ice yesterday, so thankfully I was able to let Matthew know in advance, and he fixed it, which is fantastic because I need ice. Perfect. This one smells more cinnamony. I'm pretty sure that's the one that I put more cinnamon in, so I'm gonna use that for myself. So I'm just gonna use oat milk for myself. It always looks so pretty, and like look how nice that is. I love it. So there is that for myself, and then Matthew likes regular milk, so I use whole milk for his. So I'm gonna do this. Hopefully I don't drop it. How pretty. I love it. Add a little splash of this. It's literally just coffee creamer. It's caramel macchiato, so it's not anything to do with an oat milk shake and espresso, but just a little bit, just to make it fun. And then we add the lids. Look how delicious that looks, like. And then we do a little shaky, a little wrist shake as they call it. Let's taste that. And then this one's Matthew's. That's delicious too. Anyways, let's go upstairs. I do have to say, I have to share, Matthew just told me how they make oat milk, and it's pretty bad. But I'm just gonna finish that oat milk and probably go back to my almond milk. They do have like an extra creamy almond milk, which I think that may have to be my go-to from now on, because it's crazy. Matt was telling me like the amount of chemicals that they add to it. Why is this like, I feel like the lighting was off, but whatever. My pajamas are on my nightstand ready for tonight, because I'm like, is there something on my forehead? What I usually do is I wear my pajamas like for 2 nights, or 2 or 3 nights depending, honestly, because I just wear them to sleep, and then after that I remove them and obviously like switch them out. So that's a new set of pajamas for tonight, and I'm pretty excited to wear those. I love matching pajamas. I feel like the perfect gift for someone for like the holidays is like a pair of matching pajamas. Like I feel like people, sometimes I buy matching pajamas for myself because I like matching pajamas, but I feel I feel like a lot of people don't buy that for themselves, and honestly they need to. But if they don't, get them as a gift. Like, it's worth it. Anyways, I feel like this is gonna be our ankle for a while. I have to share, I'm currently about to go on break in 1 minute, but I had downtime, so I figured I would talk to you all. But I am so confused with my new job. Like, so I went through all the training, so my training has been completed for the most part. I think I have like little bits and pieces that I still need to like learn, and obviously like I'm still in a time where you can say still learning, so like I can still shadow people if I wanted to. I could still ask obviously questions. Like, I feel like the questions never stop, but yeah, like I guess to say I'm a little confused by it because it's so slow. It's oddly slow, and I don't know if it's because I'm so used to a job that is like super busy and fast paced. Like, they literally have like 0 to no people like working essentially. Like, it seemed like we were always like low staff in my old job, and now it's like it's slow. Like, I'm here like most of the day, I have nothing else to do, and I'm like reviewing information, like refreshing my mind through training, because I'm like, well, what else do I do? Like, I don't know what else to do, you know? So it's definitely like different. But I don't know, Matt was telling me, he's like, well, maybe like it's just because of the holidays. He's like, maybe like once the holidays are over, things will change. He's like, and if not, then like definitely reach out to like the trainer or like your manager, whoever, just to ask like if there's anything that they need help with. And I'm like, true, valid. I was like, I'll definitely do that. But yeah, it's pretty wild. I was like, maybe like they don't want to give me like pile up more stuff on me because I'm so new. So maybe that's the case, but yeah, right now it's kind of like really slow. Anyways, so yeah, I'm chilling, basically chilling and reviewing stuff, which is like nice. Like I don't mind reviewing stuff, but anyways, I feel like my vlogs are definitely like lacking. I feel like I need to plan a little bit more to like get out of the house and take y'all with me, because I feel like we're literally just hanging out at home. At the same time, like I have a full-time job, so like I have to be logged into work from 9 a.m. to like 5:30. So that's a difference between like myself and like other people that are like full-time YouTubers or whatever, that like anything that I would plan would have to be planned around my job. So I don't know, like what are some things that y'all would want to see, some ideas, or I don't know if y'all want to see something around San Antonio, because I can definitely go out and about and like show y'all around San Antonio. And there's like the river walk right now looks really pretty. Like let me know if you want to see that. I don't mind planning like a weekend to go out there and like record some footage and hang out with you all. So I don't know, just let me know, because I feel like I'm boring and I want to be more entertaining. I was talking to Matthew last night of like content creation, because I'm like I have a passion for YouTube. I enjoy YouTube. I enjoy talking to a camera. Like I don't know of many people that do this and like do it so, and I think I'm kind of natural to talking to a camera. Like I can just blabber about whatever, and Matt was like, yeah, you're pretty confident with the camera and just like talking about anything. I think what I lack in and what need more, I guess not experience, but like help with, is my editing. Because I feel like my editing is just very boring. I sometimes feel like I rush through it because I don't enjoy that part of the content creation. And I think it's because I don't have like the equipment or the software or whatever to actually make it fun and in a way like a little bit easier for myself. Matt and I were talking about getting a MacBook for me for Christmas, which would be really, really cool and would be very, very helpful. Obviously not a necessity. Like I do all of my editing on my phone, so that's definitely not a necessity, but it would be really, really cool to be able to have that, and imagine how much better my content would get. I don't know, I just enjoy it. I enjoy like chatting and storytelling. I'm definitely like a chatty box. Like I don't think I'm good at like storytelling. I'm more at like just sitting down and chatting. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and rest during my break. I have a few minutes to rest, and I'm gonna watch some content myself. Like, see, I'm currently watching a YouTube video, and still that Matthew was supposed to take that out today and he didn't, so whatever. But anyways, that's where we're at now. But anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this video and then get back to work in a few minutes. So talk to you in a bit. I'm literally gonna let you out. You look like a horse. Come on. This guy, it's been raining. You're in the vlog, say hi. You silly Cooper. I love the Caesar hot. By the way, what's that package that arrived?
My Olympic card. That's why I'm putting on my shoes so I can go get it.
So turn off the lights. Do that first. Please? Please?
What's it about?
It's on camera, I'm asking you nicely.
I'll better get edited.
Nope. I'm gonna leave it in. Did you close the blind? Why don't you just like do what you're not asked to do sometimes? Initiative, it's a beautiful thing. I guess my black purse will have to do. Alright. I think this is good enough. Gosh, I'm like annoyed a little bit. I feel like this jacket doesn't go. I still have to add the tissue paper to the gift bag. So I'm gonna make sure to do that. Oh no, it got attached. But yeah, I was saying I'm not really happy with like my outfit. Like I'm literally just wearing this dress with boots and the jacket. It's really what's taking me, I don't know, it's bothering me. I feel like it does not look good, but I don't have another light jacket that I can wear. So this will have to do. So we're gonna go to Matthew's grandma's birthday dinner, and then from there the plan is to go to probably the dollar store or like a store in general, could even be Walmart, to get packing tape and then come home. So I will bring you along. I won't like talk in the videos when we're at the dinner, but I'll definitely record at least what I get just to show you all that much. But anyways, I just wanted to update y'all on what we're at. Matthew got a package and he's really excited about it. I'm hungry. You show them. Come here. Matthew, no, that's not how you show people. Oh my god. So this is what he got in. It's a 1B card. He collects sports cards. So that's what he got. That's a really fancy little case. I kind of like it. Anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. Matthew and his beer with chamoy, right? And I got a margarita because it's happy hour. Matthew, can you get in the frame with me? The way you're like, nar. Matthew's grandma's birthday celebration. I am so tired. Like, I don't know. It also is really hot in here. I'm pretty sure like the heater might have kicked on and I'm like, why? I freaking hate the heater. It makes me hot. Like it makes sense when it's like super cold, but when it's like still in between, like there's no need. Anyways, I am gonna go ahead and get ready for bed. I'm pretty sure we're not gonna go to sleep right away, but I'm still obviously gonna pick up my hair. I thought about doing heatless curls, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. I have a couple meetings tomorrow, so I wanna make sure to use this kind of scrunchie so it doesn't get super creased, and maybe I can do something with it tomorrow. Thankfully I didn't wear any makeup because now I don't have to take off any makeup. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. It was a quick one. I tried to vlog a little bit at Walmart, but it didn't really work out. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you all again tomorrow for another video. It'll probably be a planner video to just make it easier on me, but nonetheless, the next day I'll be back with the vlog. So that's kind of the plan. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.